Winged eyeliner, one of the most iconic and classic makeup techniques, but also one of the hardest to perfect. Well, we have 3 tools that can help you have a foolproof wing line every single time. You're going to grab items that are in every Black household: a bobby pin, a rat tail comb, a pair of tweezers, and liquid eyeliner. First, you're going to grab that comb. Be careful. You're going to use your opposite dominant hand to take the sharp end of the comb and line it up with the end point of your eyebrow. Then, draw away. I suggest you start with a shorter line first. Take the comb away and see if you're satisfied with the wing length. Then, once you've determined the perfect point, you can drag it down to the inner part of the eye to create a triangle. Next, we're going to use the bobby pin. Everybody, thank TikTok for this hack. We're going to take the end of the bobby pin with the loop and place it on the outer corner of your eye at the angle that you want the wing to face. Then, start filling in the lower part of the pin with eyeliner. All that's left to do is to thicken the wing if desired. The last tool we're going to use is the tweezers. This is for people who only want a little wing. You're first going to close the tweezers and angle them at the outer corner of the eye. Then, you're going to use the edge to guide you as you draw the wing line. Then boom, the perfect teeny wing to complete your eye look. For more Black hacks, visit theroot.com.